Hoover, Alabama, from mining town to thriving suburb, nestled in the hills of Alabama, Hoover stands as a testament to transformation and community spirit. From its humble origins as a mining town to evolving into a bustling suburb, Hoover's story unfolds with layers of history and suburban charm. Hoover's journey traces back to the early 20th century, when it was known as the Green Valley Community. The area gained prominence with the discovery of coal, leading to the establishment of mining operations. The coal industry played a crucial role in shaping the community's identity and fostering a tight-knit mining town atmosphere. In the 1930s, the town faced economic challenges with the decline of coal mining. In a strategic move to attract industry and development, the community underwent a name change. In 1967, it officially became Hoover, named after William H. Hoover, a local insurance company owner known for his contributions to the area's growth. The late 20th century marked a turning point for Hoover, as it transformed from an industrial town to a suburban haven. The construction of the Riverchase planned community in the 1970s became a catalyst for growth. Riverchase Galleria, one of the largest shopping centers in the Southeast, opened its doors in 1986, becoming an anchor for the city's commercial development. Hoover's commitment to education became evident with the establishment of the Hoover City School System in 1988. The city's focus on quality education contributed to its appeal as a family-friendly suburb. Community services, parks, and recreational facilities were developed, enhancing the overall quality of life for residents. Hoover gained national attention for hosting the SEC baseball tournament and the Hoover Met Stadium, further establishing itself as a sports and entertainment destination. The preserve, a mixed-use development, added a touch of diversity to Hoover's landscape with its blend of residential, commercial, and green spaces. Today, Hoover stands as a vibrant suburb, blending modern amenities with a nod to its mining town roots. The city's commitment to balanced growth, excellent schools, and recreational opportunities has attracted a diverse population. Hoover continues to evolve, maintaining its allure as a desirable place to live and work. Hoover's journey from a coal mining community to a thriving suburb exemplifies adaptability and community resilience. The city's ability to embrace change while preserving its heritage makes Hoover a unique and dynamic part of Alabama's landscape.